Hello everyone, Chan here from EasySimpleSystem.com. Welcome to my review of Graham Grants. As you can see, I'm right here inside the dashboard of this product where I'm going to review this product for you guys. I'm going to demo this for you guys, what it does. In a nutshell, Graham Grant is going to teach you, simple as that, how to make money using Instagram, okay? 500 million people use Instagram stories each and every day. I mean, this is a huge opportunity. So many of us actually missing it. So that's why the Johnny Rose come up, the vendor of this product, good friend of mine, come up with this product, the Graham Grants. I mean, he's going to teach you all the methods. First of all, he's going to lay down all the methods as how you can create and monetize your profile. Then at the end, how to make exceptional money simply by using Instagram. I have created an exclusive bonus package for you guys, which is underneath the description of this video. If you're going to click on this link, you will come through to my bonus page, which looks something like this, Sean's Insane Bonus Bundle. So here you can take a look more about Graham Grants, what it does, but the most important thing is this page is actually, I'm going to talk about my insane bonuses. The bonus number one, I'm giving you guys free access to 100% commission for my best-selling product Confession. I'm still selling that product. It is selling in the market very well. Start a profitable web design business from home with zero coding skill. I'm giving you 100% commission for that product. You're going to learn each and everything from Instagram, from this product, from Graham Grants, and you will become an expert to drive good targeted traffic to your Instagram stories. But targeted traffic is coming to your Instagram stories. What do you want to do with that traffic? You want to send that traffic to somewhere so you can make money. It's simple as that. This is the plain concept. So I'm giving you the best selling product of mine where you are going to send all your traffic which is coming to your stories. We're going to have a link which the vendor of this product is going to teach you how to do all that. People is going to come to your stories, they're going to read it, they're going to watch your videos, they're going to click underneath the link or link in your bio, and they're going to end it up actually on this product page. If they buy it, you will get compensated 100%, not 50%, 70%. You will make 100% commission throughout the funnel. Why I'm giving you 100% commission on this product? Because this is the best selling product. You have the best chance to make excellent money by promoting this product. So I'm giving you 100% commission, guys. I mean, I'm not giving 100% commission to anyone, but just because you are buying through my bonus page on this bonus to Graham Grant, that's I'm giving you 100% commission. Insane value. Bonus number two, 7-step process that flood your site with traffic and then snowball so much out of control. Okay, the most important thing, lifeblood of internet marketing business is traffic. So what are you going to do? You're going to learn each and everything about Instagram, then you're going to start bringing traffic. And traffic is very important. If you don't have any traffic on your Instagram stories, you're not going to make any money. You're not going to do anything. So here I'm giving you access. This is an exceptional course, free course. As a matter of fact, you're going to go ahead, read through it or watch it, as a matter of fact, all the video course, and then just tap into the power of the free site traffic. You are going to get it. And you're going to inject these resources I'm going to give it to you into your Instagram stories, and watch how snowball will affect for all the traffic, what you're looking for on your Instagram stories. Insane bonus. Bonus number three, I'm giving you free access to digital signature. Let me teach you how to create a digital viral signature to get targeted traffic to your site, funnel, or offer. This is a website. As a matter of fact, there is a form, one of the most powerful web form about internet marketing. The people go there actually just with the mindset that they are going to buy stuff. Either they want to learn something or they want to buy. I'll show you how to create a digital viral marketing signature on this platform, the platform I was talking about, with this strategy, with a little twist and strategy, so you can have unlimited buyers traffic on your Instagram stories or anywhere you would like to send it to your own product or your affiliate promotion to make great money about it. This will be an insane resource, guys. Okay, bonus number five, four, as a matter of fact, since Instagram is all about stories, you will be creating beautiful stories, then you need to have a little bit of graphic designing skill. In this quick video tutorial, I will show you a free tool, and I will run around with you guys at how you can create a beautiful graphics in just minutes. Okay, you guys will be an expert creating a beautiful graphic. Write whatever you want on top of that graphic, put it as Instagram stories, have a bio link on it to your affiliate offer, or I'm giving you 100% commission on my product or any other affiliate product, and make a bunch of money in the process. Bonus number five will be all the vendor bonus the vendor has given it to me to give it to you guys, which will be automatically delivered to your Warrior Plus account. Having said that, By the way, at any point of time, if you would like to buy Gram Grants through my bonus page and you want to claim all your bonuses absolutely free, which I just talked about, you can click any of these yellow buttons. You will get to the sales page. From there, you will buy Gram Grants and it will be automatically available into your Warrior Plus area, okay? Training area, as a matter of fact. As you can see that, you will have a receipt. You will have a receipt email from Warrior Plus, and with that, once you're gonna click on access your purchase, you're gonna have all the bonus lined up over there as well to claim all these bonuses. Even if you just buy the front end, you will be able to claim all these insane bonuses, guys. Okay. Having said that, let's go back to the Gram Grants page, the training area, where exactly, first of all, he's going to welcome you. The Johnny is going to welcome you. Then he's going to understand the power of Instagram. He's going to, a very quick video, 3 to 4 minutes video, is going to show you what Instagram is and the quality and the power of Instagram, which you're going to tap into it quickly. After that, you have a section 1, main Instagram training. As you can see, each and everything, they're going to start from the beginning, scratch, Instagram overview, setting up your account, the Instagram mobile app, Instagram profile setup, profile policy, how to add multiple money links to Instagram, so and so. As you can see that if I just scroll it down, okay, you are going to learn each and everything about Instagram. You are going to become a master of Instagram after you're going to watch the first section of the training, which is main Instagram training. The second section is making money with Instagram. These are the case studies, the people who is already making money with Instagram, as you can see right here, guys. Okay, someone is making $185. Kudra Karde and Annoy Joyce is growing and monetize Insta accounts with Instagram boards, and the maximum bonus selling Instagram accounts for $100 to $300 a day. Someone is actually selling Instagram account for $100 to $300 a day. This is the case study involved as well. Then at the end, as you can see, the bunch of case studies to show you exactly how you can make money with Instagram after we learn from Gram Grants. And there are some free bonuses, as you can see right here. And after that, there are upgrades which we are going to talk about. Let's go back to my bonus page. Let's talk about the upgrade, what exactly they are giving you. Let's go up. You're going to get all the training and software in $9.95, which is a piece of cake, easy peasy. I mean, this is a no-brainer. You can get it. Upsell one number 1 is the $17 in the downsell. So don't buy for $27. Gram Grants Pro. This is the upgraded course which contains 20 advanced media module. Okay, simple as that. 20 more advanced media module. They are going to show you how exactly you can do things in depth. Training including e-com, Zapier integration, affiliate marketing, profile promotion, and more. They are going to show you all that. I think it's a pretty sweet and $17. Upsell number 2 will be Gram Grants Done For You, which is $27 downsell. Save hundreds of hours of work. They are giving you 6,000 plus Instagram templates, motivational inspiration course for make money online, entrepreneur, and business niche. Okay, which is insane, guys, in $27. If you do all that to yourself, you can do that all for free. But in order to get 6,000 Instagrams templates to create for yourself and to find the motivation and inspirational course, it's gonna take you a lot of time. So save a lot of time and money, and you can get that upsell as well. Upsell number 3 is Gram Grants Profile Booster, which is $97. You will be able to boost your Instagram profile with thousands of followers, 200 likes, and 50 plus comments, and all completely done for them with no extra work involved. Okay, if you want something to get it done, I mean, this will be very quick. It's done for you just for $97. Pretty sweet. Upsell number 4, Gram Grants Coaching, $77, a 1-hour one-to-one coaching, conversation, and collaboration where you can get your Instagram accounts reviewed by Johnny Rose and discuss the stumbling blocks you are having with this product. I just ask anything about the internet marketing. And upsell number 5, Gram Grants Resale Right, which is $67. You can sell that product as your own and keep 100% of the commission. And underneath my bonus page, there are some key benefits. You can read through it, and then you can go through again my bonuses page. Click on any of these links. Buy Gram Grants by 9th. It is going live on 9th of August, by the way, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can, at that time, all these buttons will be activated, and then you just click on it and buy it, and all this unbelievable bonus I was talking about to claim all these unbelievable bonuses will be automatically delivered to you guys. These are the exclusive bonuses made by me, so these are very special. These are no PLR. You are going to absolutely love it, guys. Okay, having said that, these are my bonuses. This is what Gram Grant is. I hope to see you inside. I hope you like my review about Gram Grants. Thank you so much for watching for this video. I hope to speak to you soon in my next video. Take care. Bye for now.